In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your Google Adsense account. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is just open up Google Adsense, and you just want to log into your account. So once you have Google Adsense open, what you actually have to do is go to the left-hand side, and we have to go down to where it says Payments. Now, to start with, you have to go to verification check, and this is so that you can verify your identity as well as your address, which will allow you to receive payments. So once you've completed both of these tasks, we can go to the left hand side again, but this time we're going to click Payments Info. Now, this is showing me my payments account for my AdSense. However, this is the normal AdSense and not AdSense YouTube. So if you're doing Google Ads, you'll have to be on this page, and here's the option where you can actually choose to withdraw money. However, if you're trying to withdraw from YouTube AdSense, you have to go to the top and select this option here. And then we can switch that to YouTube. From there, we'll be able to see important information about our account, including how we get paid. So as you can see, I've already got one added here, which is why it says Manage Payment Methods. However, if you haven't yet added a bank account, yours will say something like Add a Payment Method. And what you can do is actually select that option right there. So you can then choose to add a payment method, and then you can simply type in your banking information. From there, you want to go ahead and set it as your primary payment method, and then choose to save. From there, once you've actually got a payment method added, you'll have to make sure you go over the payment threshold in order to get paid. So for my account, the minimum is £60, which means I'll have to earn £60 before it gets withdrawn to this bank account. However, as long as you have set this all up and you have gone over your threshold, you will actually automatically get paid into this bank account, and you don't have to manually withdraw anything. It's all done automatically. So that's how you can withdraw money from your Google AdSense account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.